Hi, this is Jeff Lovell. I'm a staff accountant with AA Accounting, and today we're discussing how to change your tax return after you filed it, or how to file an amendment. Some of the things that we're going to consider today are what kinds of changes require an amended return, how do you amend the return, how long do you have to amend, and some differences between states and the federal government. So, what kinds of changes don't require an amendment? The IRS does not want you to amend your return to report math errors. They'll just send you a letter. Or if you receive a Form 1095-A regarding health insurance through the healthcare exchange that you left off the return, they have their own procedure for doing that. Or to request an abatement of penalties or interest. That's done through Form 843. However, you do need to file an amended return in order to change your filing status, to make changes to your income deductions or credits, to add or remove a dependent, or to carry forward or carry back a tax credit or a net operating loss. So, if you've determined that you want to amend your return, how do you do it? Well, first you need a copy of the original return. You then use that, plus the changes, to fill out a Form 1040X, which is the amended tax return. You would use this form even if you originally filed a 1040A or 1040EZ. You file a hard paper copy in the mail. There's no e-file yet for the amendments. And along with that, you would send any required supporting documents, such as copies of W-2s or 1099s, and you would keep a copy of the amended form for your records. Once the IRS receives it, they'll update it on their website under Where's My Amended Return? So how far back can you amend? Could you amend a 1998 tax return? Well, the general rule is that you have the later of 3 years from when you filed or 2 years from when you paid the tax to amend. However, there are some important exceptions. If you filed an extension for your return, that will change the date that the IRS considers to be the filing date. Also, you get more time to file amendments for foreign tax credit or to claim bad debts or worthless securities. There are some special state rules, and each state has its own rules. For example, in Illinois, there is a requirement in order to issue a refund that they have evidence of a federal acceptance of the changes. You can get this federal finalization by requesting it from the IRS by filing Form 4506T, transcript request, by mail or online at irs.gov. So in summary, the IRS and also most state taxing authorities will allow you to make changes to your tax return within a certain time period by filing what's called an amended return. If you think you may want to amend your tax return for a prior year and you'd like help with it, give us a call to discuss your situation and set up an appointment. We can be reached at 309-685-8980, and we're happy to assist you year-round. I look forward to hearing from you.